drone demo, and they're just about to go live with the Skyfish demo. The only thing I can tell you is that I just wish I were flying them instead of watching other people fly them. Here we go. Let's see what we got.
Idea. So next up we have Skyfish, and Skyfish is an American drone maker. So this is a made in USA aircraft. They are a leader in accurate inspection and management of critical infrastructure. They're going to be demonstrating their M4 and M6 drones. They'll be demonstrating the M4 drone with their latest camera technology available through Sony. This configuration is used to create their digital twins of infrastructure. They'll also be demonstrating the M6 drone with the Next Vision Raptor long-range IR sensor with X80 day-night zoom capability, designed for defense and surveillance applications. With no further comment, let's go ahead and turn it right over to the folks from Skyfish.
Stephen McLaughlin, Skyfish, Vice President of Operations, joined by John Johnson, Director of Product Development, and Jacob Benson, Lead Training Pilot. Please direct your attention to center stage as the Skyfish M4 launches with Sony's newest sensor, which is bound to revolutionize the landscape. Introducing the Skyfish M4 with Sony's brand new ILX LR1, announced for the first time at 7 a.m. local this morning. This system is the result of approximately 2 years of development between Skyfish and Sony and marks a significant milestone in the UAS optical sensor market. Our pilot will now set up for a low and slow pass from stage left in order to demonstrate the stability of the Skyfish M4 with Sony's first camera designed with UAS applications in mind. Of note, this is also likely the smallest full-frame camera available in the world. Sony's full-frame Alpha Series mirrorless cameras have dominated the UAS market due to their high quality and performance, and size and weight have been limited due to integration options from weight. Now, with the Sony LR1, the Skyfish M4 flight time can be increased 13% without sacrificing image quality or camera features. When compared with conventional full-frame cameras, the LR1 is 40% smaller, 60% lighter, and weighs a mere 8.6 ounces. The camera features the legendary Sony CMOS sensor and can capture images at 61 megapixels. With the Sony LR1 on board, the Skyfish M4, you have access to the full range of Sony lenses, of which over 60 can be used with the sensor you're seeing today. Our pilot will now push the M4 to its maximum forward speed, demonstrating the M4's performance and agility as he repositions for his second pass. During normal operations, the Skyfish M4 can reach speeds of 65 miles per hour, climb and descend at 1,000 feet per minute, pitch 20 to 45 degrees, and yaw at 110 degrees per second. The M4's maximum operational wind speed is 35 knots. Skyfish is a full-stack, end-to-end platform manufacturer and software developer, proudly headquartered in Montana, USA. We are fully NDAA compliant and hold an airworthiness certificate to operate with military customers. We currently manufacture two main platform variants, the M4, which is airborne now, and a larger 6-propeller variant named the M6. In addition to our two standard aircraft, we offer a ruggedized controller and optional RTK base station. Our team of engineers have crafted our flight planning and navigation software, and we also offer a web portal product for storing, processing, and analyzing your data. The M4 specializes in infrastructure inspection, capturing engineering-grade data sets for cell towers, roadways, bridges, and many other assets. The Skyfish M4 can operate well beyond visual line of sight at 1 to 2 miles, has an empty weight of 16 pounds, a flight endurance of approximately 30 minutes, and can carry up to 6 pounds. Our pilot will now begin his transit to the first point of a pre-planned survey mission. Please direct your attention to the large screen on stage right. Our pilot will import a standard KML file to define the survey area. For reference, the mission planning process for an area this large takes approximately 30 seconds. All Skyfish aircraft operate using a proprietary ground control software. Due to our close partnership with Sony, the LR1 has been tightly integrated to maximize the system's performance and leverage Skyfish onboard and post-processing software. Seen here, our pilot is now reviewing flight parameters to ensure flight altitude, aircraft speed, overlap, camera pitch angle, and transect spacing. Next, he will upload the flight plan. With the flight plan successfully uploaded, our pilot can select guided, capturing images with a resolution of 1 1/4 millimeter ground sampling distance from an altitude of 100 feet AGL. This allows for extremely detailed data collection to be uploaded into SkyPortal, Skyfish's data collection and reconstruction management system. Our pilot will now demonstrate an automated return to home function. By selecting RTL on the controller, the aircraft will automatically discontinue the survey mission and smoothly return to its original launch location. The aircraft will then use its downward-facing rangefinder to execute an autonomous landing. As our visual observer prepares our second system for launch,
So second system, right here, probably. You're gonna bring it over.
please remember to visit us with 422 to learn more about how the Skyfish M4 with Sony LR1 can help your organization. The Skyfish Sony partnership will continue to develop, and we're excited to be working on several next generation projects together. Ladies and gentlemen, please, again, direct your attention to center stage as the Skyfish M6 launches with one of the market's most capable intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance sensors. While the platform is currently in use for ISR applications, it can be also used for search and rescue, law enforcement, public safety, and fire classification with thermal spotting. Our lead training pilot is set up for a low and slow pass from stage left. The sensor on board the Skyfish M6 is manufactured by NextVision, a leader in the field of micro-stabilized gimbal cameras. While the EOIR sensor weighs only 1.3 pounds, it boasts an 80x stabilized zoom, capable of positively identifying objects from 2 miles away. In addition to the EO capability, the payload also has a long-wave infrared sensor capable of tracking objects of interest 1.5 miles away with an 8x zoom. The Skyfish product flying here today is currently deployed on our southern border, keeping our Customs and Border Protection agents safe and fully informed. Our pilot will now accelerate to the platform's maximum speed and reposition for his second pass. The Skyfish M6 can reach speeds of 60 miles per hour, climb and descend at 900 feet per minute, pitch 20 to 45 degrees, and yaw at 110 degrees per second. The M6 maximum operational wind speed is 35 knots. While the payload seen on our M6 can be integrated with our smaller
Again, we're watching the
M4,
M6.
our customer desired a robust system capable of safely returning in the event of a motor failure. The Skyfish M6 can safely stabilize itself in air following a motor failure and land autonomously with only 5 of its 6 motors. In addition, the M6 is immune to a cell loss on any battery pack, meaning that the M6 can lose up to 1 battery on each side due to its fully redundant power system. The platform is extremely stable in windy conditions when compared to smaller, less capable platforms. As a former high-altitude technical search and rescue pilot, mountain flying instructor, and Naval Special Warfare UAS officer in charge, I can personally attest to the platform's stability in challenging wind conditions and demanding environments. The Skyfish M6 can operate well beyond visual line of sight at 5 to 6 miles, has an empty weight of 23 pounds, a flight endurance of almost 40 minutes, and can carry up to 12 pounds. Now, our pilot will cut out and transit to his simulated mission start point. Our pilot will now upload a corridor mission in order to patrol a specific area of responsibility. He will select several objects to demonstrate full zoom capability and cycle through the 2 sensor modes. Lastly, our pilot will demonstrate the Raptor's track mode, designed specifically for tracking humans and vehicles. Skyfish with Raptor features a fully customizable display to support a multitude of industry needs. In addition to this mode, the Skyfish M6 with Raptor can be configured to track fire, smoke, maritime objects, and also has a license plate recognition mode. Skyfish will be testing a new variant later this month that comes with a 200 milliwatt electronic four-sided laser pointer.
Wow.
While the Skyfish M6 can be landed manually, our pilot will again select the RTL function to autonomously land the system. Ladies and gentlemen, as our pilot begins his landing sequence, I want to thank everyone for joining us today. Please come visit us at booth 422 and learn more about how Skyfish, the NDAA compliant engineering grade system, can help you and your organization.
Wow.